If you need to check the status of your case on Whop, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your account so you can view your active and past cases, along with the product, amount, due date, and current status. This is a simple process, and once you know where to find it, you can check your case details in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Once the site loads, log into your account using your normal Whop login details. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account menu, where you'll find different account options. From the drop-down menu, look for the gear icon that appears directly to the right of your username. Click that gear icon to open your account settings. On the account settings page, you'll see several options, but the one you want is Resolution Center. Click Resolution Center to continue. This is the section where Whop displays your case information in one place, making it easy to track everything related to your account. Once you're inside the Resolution Center, you can review all of your active and past cases. You'll be able to see helpful details like the product name, the amount involved, the due date, and the current status of each case. This makes it easy to understand where your case stands without having to dig through menus or messages. If you're checking on a dispute, payment issue, or any other case-related update, this is the page you'll want to revisit. Take a moment to read through the information carefully so you can confirm the latest status and any important deadlines. And that's it. You've now learned how to check the status of your case on Whop. It only takes a few steps. Log in, open your profile menu, go to account settings, select Resolution Center, and review your case details. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.